How to delete an activity record. So I'm looking at an activity record here. It's a use of collections record, but this is applicable to any type of activity record. And we've got a few governed items, but maybe this has all been made in error and we want to delete it. So up at the top, you'll see we have a delete option here. If I click on this and say OK, the record has now been soft deleted. And if you deleted collections records in the past, you'll know that this means this record, although it's deleted, it still kind of hangs around invisible behind the scenes. And if we go to view one of the governed items for this activity, and if we just scroll down, you can see underneath activities, the activity we just deleted is still listed with the dustbin symbol next to it to show that this is a deleted activity. If you want to remove this activity completely, if you go back to the activity record, note you can click permanently delete and this will remove the record from your system entirely.